Hello, today I would like to present my Isar book, The Railway Children by E. Nesbit. This book is a classic children fiction novel. It was first published in 1906. The book has 256 pages and I have read 67 pages so far. The main characters are Roberta, Peter, and Pills. Roberta, also called Bobby, is the oldest child and is very mature and responsible. Peter is adventurous, brave, and loves trains. Pills is the youngest child and is kind, cheerful, and innocent. At the beginning of the story, the children live happy in London with their parents. However, their father is suddenly taken away and the family becomes poor. They move to a small house in the country near a railway. While their mother works hard to earn money, the children spend their time watching trains and waving to a kind old gentleman on the train. One day, their mothers become very sick and the family cannot afford medicine. The children decide to ask the old gentleman for help by waving a large white sheet and sending him a letter. Thankfully, he sends everything their mother needs to recover. The main conflict in the story is that the children's father is wrongly accused of a crime and sent to prison. This causes many difficulties for the family. From a biblical perspective, the story teaches us to have faith and hope. Even during hard times, it also shows that kindness from others can make a big difference in someone's life. The most impressive part for me is how the children stay brave and positive even after losing their comfortable life. Instead of complaining, they help their mother and support one another. I was especially impressed when they worked together to get help for their sick mother. One challenge I faced while reading was understanding the Old English vocabulary. Some sentences were difficult to translate and the meanings were sometimes confused. Some new vocabulary I learned includes dunus, which means boardroom, bungalow, or cottage, which means a small countryside house, and perambulator, which means a baby stroller. The lesson I learned from this book is that love, kindness, and courage are more important than money. The story also teaches us to stay strong during difficult times and to help the people we care about. Thank you so much for listening. It's all for me.